Turning to that WTOL 11 weather forecast into your Sunday, we are watching a brief period of wintry mix that'll arrive late morning through midday, and there could be a few slick spots that develop, although I think it's going to be a pretty low impact storm system with dry weather returning late afternoon and temperatures climbing well above freezing. Here's where we are on Doppler radar. Dry weather continues for the rest of your Saturday, and I'm watching a storm system situated up near Wisconsin and Minnesota that is going to bring us a period of light rain, snow, and even a brief icing. Temperature-wise, well below freezing, mid-20s out the door for those Saturday evening plans, and it's going to stay chilly into the first part of Sunday. The hour-by-hour forecast, dry weather right out the door first thing Sunday morning, but you will notice that brief band of snow and ice that could clip our area, say late morning through midday. By about 10 a.m., we'll start to see some snow showers and even a brief period of freezing drizzle clipping northwest Ohio and lower Michigan, and by about 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., it's going to be moving off into eastern Ohio. So it's a pretty narrow window, say late morning through midday, that we could see a light wintry mix and a brief icing. Now let's talk temperatures, because it is going to be well below freezing when you wake up Sunday morning. When those rain and snow showers are arriving, we're going to be right around that freezing mark. You'll notice temps hovering about 32 in Toledo, 36 down towards Hancock and Putnam counties. Now by the time that system departs, we're actually going to get a little bit warmer late in the day. Monday, though, is going to be the mildest day of the 10-day forecast, and south of Toledo, it could be in the mid-50s, but there is going to be quite the temperature swing from south to north in the metro, likely in the upper 40s and possibly barely hitting 40 degrees in lower Michigan. Overall, Sunday's storm system is going to be pretty low impact, a light wintry mix from late morning through midday. There could be a few slippery spots that do develop, so use caution, especially on those bridges and overpasses. I'm not expecting any major travel delays, although giving yourself an extra minute or two certainly doesn't hurt. It'll be warming up to the 40s by the afternoon and warming up even more on Monday, but that warm up is going to be very short-lived. High temperatures actually top out in the lower 40s, so I expect that anything that does accumulate or stick will be melting away during the afternoon and evening hours. Now tomorrow is also notable because it is Groundhog Day, and regardless of your thoughts on the scientific validity, the history is interesting. We'll have more information on our free WTOL 11 weather app tomorrow. Groundhog Day has officially been around since 1887, and it originated from German tradition. And you can see the German word for Badger Day, where Groundhog Day originated. There were a number of different animals that were supposedly prognosticators of the weather, but the bear was one of the first that was used. And Groundhog Day has really put Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania on the map. The total city population of Punxsutawney less than 6,000, but every year over 40,000 folks go out to see what Punxsutawney Phil has to say. Now we do have some wintry weather on our horizon, regardless of whether that shadow is seen or not. A light wintry mix possible for your Sunday. Very little impacts with that. We are watching another system midweek that could once again bring us a mixed bag of wintry precipitation, and then a week from now, next Saturday into next Sunday, yet another storm system. Let's time out that midweek system that's going to be coming in late Wednesday. I do expect a dry start to the day Wednesday. However, by Wednesday evening, there is going to be the chance that we do see another pocket of wintry mix, and that is shown by the pink color on the weather map. So we'll keep a very close eye on that, although it is likely to transition to all rain Wednesday night. You will see that rain snow mix late Wednesday into Thursday. We do dry out for a couple days, and then another winter storm system comes in Saturday into Sunday, and once again this one could deliver a little bit of a mix, followed by all rain with temperatures above freezing. We do cool off by the end of the 10-day forecast, and I think Monday is going to be the pick outdoor day with temperatures in the 50s south. Next weekend could be a little bit dicey with that storm system, and stay tuned to WTOL 11 for the latest forecast, and we'll be on air tonight with the latest.